Talk to Joe on 6797 FM 104.
Good afternoon, very welcome along to you. I'm myself, Joe Duffy, and of course we're talking about the word that everyone's afraid, feared of saying. Good afternoon. Of course, it's coming now in December now, and it begins with a B, and it's the word that's scaring everyone. Carmel, good afternoon to you.
Hello, Joe.
How are you doing, Carmel? Are you scared about the budget that's coming now?
I'm not scared of my Budgie. I think he's lovely, Joe. I don't get frightened by my Budgie at all. He's amazing. He's a little male Budgie.
Let me stay there, Carmel. We bring in Kay there now. Good afternoon to you, Kay.
How are you, Joe?
How do you think the budget will affect you, Kay?
It's going to be shit everywhere.
I don't understand. Carmel, do you understand what Kay's talking about?
I don't ever understand what Kay's talking about, and you always have her on this show, Joe.
Yeah.
You see you.
Yeah.
You and your stupid garden gnomes, Carmel. Go shut up and go have a shave, you fucking wagon, you.
Good afternoon. I'm not talking about a f***ing budgie. I'm talking about the f***ing budget.
Joe, I like an old boy, but you ever go and shite? You ring in here on the national airwaves to Joe, and you talk about a bleeding budgie when he's clearly not talking about a budgie.
Well, yeah, good afternoon to you, Kay. You were talking about a budgie as well, for God's sake.
Oh, Joe.
Good afternoon to you.
Did you hear Stephen Fry's after quitting Twitter? Yeah. Joe.
Yeah.
Do they ever stop talking on her fucking planet? Carmel. Do they? I'm not a ride in 20 years. That's your problem. Oh, yeah. Ask your husband. You fucking wagon. Would you stop? Did you trip over your tits again this morning? At least I can have What do you have to do in the job?
Good afternoon. I'm going to have to cut you both off, the both of your foul-mouthed elves. And don't call in. There's no 1 week ban. 1 week ban.
I know, Joe. Come on.
Carmel, 1 week ban. Kay.
Jesus, if she'd win, she'd be a wagon.
FM 104's Strawberry Alarm Clock with Jim and Mark.